There's no torn ligament there. There's no tendon, torn tendon. There's no muscle that has been stretched, so you can heal very fast. Sometimes the shoulder blade can be torn. You play football, you punch something, and hurt it more. That they take a longer time to heal. That's all I'm trying to say. So one simple energy, so you keep on healing, the pain will never come back. Sometimes the pain is gone forever. Now come here. You got cervical pain? Come here. Hello, who got cervical pain? You're the one showing here, showing here, showing here. People are so funny. Come. Very good. Can I ask you something? Okay. What you got one stripe here? Is that tribal stripe? You think it's good? Because I was in a class. I was class in Lago. This man had 3 cuts here and 3 cuts here. I didn't want to ask him what was the cut all about. So he was saying some tribal cut, some tribal people cut here. So normally my family practice do that. They cut the people. Okay, she got pain in the cervical. Very good. How many bones you have? How many bones you have in the cervical? Who told you 7? Who told you 7? Oh, you learn. Today you learn, huh? 7 cervical. Very good. You put the head here. The healing wand. Become as powerful as required. Come on, powerful as required. Come. You see guys, see, basically the wand has the power. And the power will differ for different people. Some with lots of power, some with little bit of power. You say become as powerful as required. Heal my back, neck chakra. And go, put here. And rotate. 1, 2, 3, stop. 1, 2, 3. Keep on doing. 3 circles. 1 circle, 2 circle, 3 circles. And stop. 1, 2, 3. 1 circle, 2 circle, 3 circles. Stop. 1, 2, 3. Keep on doing. Giving the back, the front chakra, back, neck chakra. Start doing. Just have some names, that's all. Just say back, neck area. Front neck, back, neck area.
4 circles. 4 circles.
Come on. Three. Keep on doing. Hey. Don't not breathe. Slowly becoming a pizza.
Small.
Hey.
Too big, small. Small.
Wow. One. Stop. 1. Where you all come from? Which church? Is there a lot of nuns there?
Yes.
Bring them tomorrow to the class.
God is the place we're supposed to go to because we want to go tomorrow. For the children.
Okay. Madam, you bring all the...
Yes, I enjoy.
No, if you can bring all your... Whoever caretakers... No. Listen to me, sir. I'm saying people like the word caretakers of the children, they can come and learn. I give the one, they can heal all the children. Children is very easy to heal. They're very receptive. They want to get healed. Not like big people like that, they have doubt. And I don't think so. What is this? I don't know. Children are very easy. Understand? If the big children, you can give them 1 day, they can also learn how to heal. The big children, maybe they are about 12 years old or 13, they can heal themselves. How old are your children? 18 years old. Any female children? I'm sure they all have period pain, madam. You can heal all the period pain every time. Understand? They have a few wands there, and have a period pain, they just come and take, and the healing wand becomes a power to heal my period pain, and it's gone. There are people in India who have done the healing. Today they don't even know when the period is coming. There's no pain. There's no indication of pain. Now they have to make sure they carry a pad wherever they go. They lose the count. Normally you got periods, the pain will come, then they're ready. You don't even know. Understand? The pain is so easy now. Understand? Especially how many girls you have above 12? Exactly, madam. Please take me there. We feel that. Tomorrow we go there and heal. We don't want to heal people there.
Yes.
We go straight to the school and heal some people. That's all. Are you ready? Do they go to school?
Yeah.
What time do they come back from school?
In secondary, primary, nursery.
What time do they come back from school?
They have close school.
No, what time do they come back from school?
They have close.
Ah, very good then. Let's have the class in the church. We heal more people.
Only this now.
Huh?
Only this.
Now then we come there tomorrow. We come there 8 o'clock in the morning. Are you already 8 o'clock in the morning? Yeah, not the people like here. They come at 12 o'clock here. What's the point coming and helping people? But I can go there and help so many girls down there. Madam, how many girls are there? 12 and above. I'll get them all healing one. They will burn them and heal themselves. You have a small hall like this?
Yes.
Very good. Tomorrow we go to the hall. If you all want to come there and learn. The class will be there tomorrow morning. Okay? Madam, we'll be there at 9 o'clock tomorrow. Okay, madam? Have the girls ready. I'd rather heal them than heal people who can walk in and they like.
So when are we going to see?
Okay, madam? Every children above 12 years old, I'll give the wand to them. Okay? Good. And I give a calendar also, because these children, are they orphans or semi-orphans? Yes, there are a lot of emotions, madam. Very emotional, so much emotion will be there. You have the emotions also, okay, madam? How much the pain? What's the pain here? The pain here is 0, now the pain is moving there. Yes or no? Now the pain is back. Good. Now, that's it. Put here. I'm not a physical body. I'm not a wrong emotion. I'm not wrong thoughts. I'm not disturbed mind. I am the soul. God is my creator. This body of mine, the temple of my soul. Day by day, I'm balancing my karma. I'm accepting divine plan, divine direction for my soul. God, thank you, thank you, thank you. How much I pay now? 0 now. Do that. You know which page is this? This is page number spiritual affirmation. Open up the spiritual affirmation, guys. Spiritual affirmation. Then you got both forgiveness. Why you got both forgiveness? No. The one spiritual affirmation, one forgiveness. What is it? No, they both got forgiveness. No. But that's spiritual affirmation. Okay? Now that is page number 2. I am. But it is a little. Okay? Next, you want to be a divine fire. I am the purity God. Come here. My soul for divine fire, my soul to purity God. Start doing this, nothing will come to you. All this pain will go away. Okay? And don't forget to do the balanced breathing. Okay? Tomorrow you won't be able to come. Why you won't be able to come? How far? How much cost it to come here? 2,000. Come back, go back, how much? 5,000. You don't want to come tomorrow. Can you come? You have no money. Hold it down. Wait. Don't go anywhere. Yeah. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. Okay? This one for your lunch or breakfast. Come tomorrow. Learn. But after learning, you must go and teach the people in your village. That's the most important. You come tomorrow, you see a lot of girls. There are girls not only there but outside. And people who are often girls with lots of problems, lots of emotion. You don't know what to do. They have no one to talk to. No father, no mother, no sister. Is it easy to be orphan, my friend? It's not easy. What I call part of being karma. You lose your parents sometimes, for some reason. And the parents don't want you, they just leave you there and walk away. They're small children. Yes, sir, madam. You must come tomorrow. Don't cheat me.
No,
Go now.